Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I thought I'd pop on and just show you this quick little technique. So I've already stamped my chameleon. I've got a scrap piece of paper for my DSP for my card, so that's going to go on there. We're just going to colour in the chameleon and then I'll just show you a little technique. You probably know it anyway, but just in case. So I'm going to colour my little chameleon. Obviously you can do it better than me because I'm rushing a little bit, but blend in the colours, going over the colours, blending them in, and then the final colour at the top. Okay, so that's my chameleon coloured in. Now, I know some of you like fussy cutting. I actually don't mind it, so I quite like going round and fussy cutting. I know some of you don't like it, but this is just a little trick for doing the really intricate pieces of a stamp that you really don't want to go round and fussy cut into, because some of them are quite delicate and you don't want to have a mishap and accidentally snip off some of the stamp that you obviously want there. So what I'm going to do is just cut round my chameleon there. Hopefully you can see that. And then when I do the tail part, because obviously it goes very intricate in that part there, so that's roughly my chameleon there. So when I get to this part here, so the tail, obviously you can go in, and obviously you've got the little bit with the dragonfly or whatever, and it gets very intricate and you think, oh, I'm going to snip something and I don't want to. So once you get to that part, whatever colour is going to be your background, so obviously I'm going to have that as my background, colour it in with the matching colour. So obviously this colour here is Parakeet Party, so I'm just going to colour around, so hopefully you can see that. So in the intricate bits that I don't want to get my scissors into, I'm just going in with the matching colour to my background and colouring it in Parakeet Party, and hopefully you can see that. So actually I'm going to stamp on there first, aren't I? But obviously when I put it against Parakeet Party, if you look really closely you can see it, but it's quite a good match. So we're going to have, what we're going to have on here, Hooray now. Just stamp that in black, I think. That's going to go there. And then we're going to have a balloon. I think I will stick it on actually. So I'm going to stick my background piece onto my card. It's a good way of using up your little scraps of paper. I'm going to glue my little chameleon on, but I'm also going to show you how to do a little balloon there. So hopefully you can see the background sort of blends in, and it didn't mean that you have to fussy cut all the way around. So that's a little hack. Also the balloon, so I'm going to go ahead and ink that up. He's going to be, well, the balloon's going to be there anyway, whether he's holding it or it's around his neck, I'm not sure. And then to do a little red balloon, I've just got a real scrappy bit of paper there, DSP. Grab your balloon, and I'm just going to ink the balloon part. You don't need the tail. And then ink it on to my DSP, and then literally just cut that out with my scissors. And once you've cut that out, it will match exactly your balloon on your card. A little bit of glue, and then it will stick directly on. There we go. Cute, very, very, very simple card. Hopefully you like that. Just thought I'd pop on and show you this little technique, the little balloon technique. Hope you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. As always, subscribe, and I know that I'm doing the right kind of content, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.